Setting the portion control on a JDF Silver Series with a mechanical switch. Unplug the dispenser from the power source. Remove the drip tray. Place the dispense lockout switch to the off position. Remove the splash panel. Press and hold the leftmost dispense switch while plugging the dispenser into the power source. Continue holding the dispense switch until all 4 temperature LEDs on the circuit board start flashing slowly. This takes about 5 seconds. Press and release the dispense switch 6 times to enter the portion control setup mode. This will cause the 4 temperature LEDs to flash rapidly. Remove the drip tray. Reinstall the splash panel. Reinstall the drip tray. Press and hold the desired dispense switch to dispense product until the desired amount of product is achieved. Repeat this on all dispense heads as desired. Place the dispense lockout switch into the on position. This will exit the portion control setup mode.